A loan from Possible Finance is usually denied when your linked bank account doesn't show steady income deposits, your account history is too limited, or the app can't verify your banking data through its connection. By the end of this, you'll know how to check the exact reason for denial, how Possible Finance evaluates eligibility, and what steps can improve your chances next time. Start by opening the Possible Finance app and checking your application status. If it says denied, the system has already run an automated review based on your bank data. Next, check your linked bank account inside the app. Possible Finance relies heavily on real-time bank activity to decide if you can repay a short-term loan. If your income deposits are irregular or missing, approval is often blocked automatically. Now, check whether your paycheck is going into the correct linked account. If your income is going into a different bank account than the one connected, it won't count toward eligibility. Next, review your recent transaction history. A very new bank account or low activity can trigger denial because there isn't enough financial history to evaluate. If your account is new, the issue may simply be time-based rather than permanent. Next, confirm your bank connection is working properly. If the sync is broken, Possible Finance may not see your real income or balance data correctly. Now make sure your bank login credentials haven't changed recently. A password update or security reset can silently break the connection. Next, check if your app is fully updated. Older versions can cause failed eligibility checks or incorrect status displays. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a fresh eligibility check using updated bank data. If you recently changed jobs or pay schedules, your deposit pattern may temporarily look unstable. In that case, consistent deposits over time usually restore eligibility automatically. Avoid submitting repeated applications without changes to your bank data. Each attempt uses the same financial profile, so nothing improves until your income pattern updates. If needed, reconnect your bank account to refresh the data sync completely. A clean reconnection often resolves hidden verification issues. If nothing works, contact Possible Finance support with your denial message and bank details. To sum it up, verify your income deposits, confirm your bank connection, check your account activity, and refresh your app session. Next, focus on building consistent banking history before reapplying. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Possible Finance tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.